Good morning. It is Sunday, August 2nd. It is 6 a.m. We are walking to the beach. It's very windy. Robert's hoping to get some fish in. It's windy right here. The beach is on the other side of the inlet, so it might not be as windy over there, we hope. So we're just going to walk to the marina real quick. I just want to walk through the marina, honey, because it's got a walking path. Otherwise, you have to walk the road, and it's kind of early. I don't see anyone out, but I think it's just safer on the path because some of these golf cart drivers need their license revoked. So we're going to go to the marina. And I feel like waking up all these sleeping people since they kept me up all night, but I'll be nice. This is the beautiful marina. Oh, yeah, it was windy. There's a palm tree leaf down. Oh, there's a boat leaving out there. You can see him leaving. He's an early fisherman. So people do sleep on these boats. I just find it fascinating. I love the whole boat culture and everything. I love the idea of like sleeping on a boat, going from dock to dock, port to port. Very fascinating. Maybe someday. I just don't know if I would like the cramped quarters. I like my nice, spacious hotel room. Anyway, we're off to the beach. Good morning. Alright, we made it. Those are the turtle people. They drive up and down the beach to see if any turtles came in overnight to lay some egg nests. I didn't see any tracks, but I'm not a professional. Obviously, he saw one. And then way windy. I'm not sure if this is going to work out. Robert's going to cast a couple. Very choppy. Tropical storm moving in. And we're supposed to get rain this afternoon. So, yeah. It is what it is. But it is beautiful. There's only one other person walking the beach when we came out. Everyone is still sleeping. We got up early because we knew it was going to rain this afternoon. We can always take a nap during the rain. I just wanted to do a little shelling before it got rained out. All these little shell piles. We are here on Captiva Island. I'm looking through this shell pile while Robert is trying to fish in this super windy morning. Tropical storm is moving in. So we're trying to get some shelling and fishing in before it gets crazy this afternoon. These are the shells we picked up this morning. This is the first time I find a starfish like that. It's completely dried. So I felt safe to take it. If it was still moving, I would have put it back in the water. And then it's a pretty good morning. We're only on the beach for about a half hour, so I think we did pretty good. Look at that little guy. And then I picked this guy up. I don't know, some kind of sea sponge. And then I picked up another baby coconut. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I don't even know if they're gonna dry out properly, but I don't know. I'll take it home and see what happens. We are out fishing on the dock. It is extremely windy. Not as bad as last night. See all those little minnows swimming around also, and I got really upset because there was a whole bunch of dolphins swimming around, and a boat came in. You're not supposed to dock there. That's why they have the harbor. It scared the dolphins away. It's very annoying. So, just crabbing.
They may not even be allowed in there.
That's a fish, yeah. It's a fishing dock. You're not really supposed to dock there. Also, they're having because of the hurricane, there is what did you call it, honey? Boat alert? Small boat alert?
Yes.
Small craft alert, meaning probably not a good day to go out. But that's fine. I just was excited. Dolphins were super close until the tourists ruined it. Anyway, we did this walk yesterday. There's a couple of fishing spots on this walk. So we're just going to walk this loop. Robert's going to do a couple.
I just find it weird that, all the reputable companies in that harbor.
He's talking too. They must have changed it. Back
Yeah.
in the old days,
Yep.
that was only for fishing.
It was just for fishing.
You did not dock.
No.
And it kind of takes the fun out of fishing off that dock.
Well, it does when that was what I had planned on fishing.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
now that that's changed, it's like there's really no need to come back here because it's an inconvenience.
It isn't.
Which is fine. They can do whatever they want.
This was a nice trip to Captiva, but I will tell you, day 2, we know this is the last time we're coming to Captiva.
But I do see why.
We're sticking to Sanibel.
I'm not gonna. I thought maybe because they're testing more people in Florida, maybe that's what the bigger numbers. But now I'm seeing it's because people don't social distance.
Okay, so what Robert is talking about is if you're paying attention to the pandemic, Florida does have abnormally large positive numbers for their population, and I think it is, with our 2-day experience, you have to wear a mask, and social distancing is the second part of that.
And that's the most important.
That's the most important. No one's social distancing, and the people trying to social distance, you can tell people who are trying to social distance from the people who are not social distancing. So, yeah, I guess because
Now
now I see why definitely they have so many cases because locals get a little too close for comfort. Way too close for comfort. So anyway, Robert's gonna fish, and I am just gonna be on the lookout for dolphins. But so yeah, I am taking responsibility for my own body. So when we're on the dock and a whole bunch of people show up who aren't social distancing, it's annoying, but I'm leaving. I'm not sticking around people who aren't social distancing. So that's why we will be walking where there's no one.